all the smiles, I won't bend for ya. I'm walking straight, better now than never. I guess I started late, now my heart's awake. When did this all begin? I guess it's hard to say. All I really know is that something happened inside of me, and it was not my own, I was chosen. Now I'm flipping paper for the profits. I ain't talking how my pockets grown, not the paper with the dead people faces. Talking about them dudes that I read in them pages. Now I'm seeing clear, but I ain't got LASIK. I'm thinking about my past, I never should've made it, but God in His grace saw fit to come and snatch me up. I draw the line in the sand, no I ain't backing up. Back in the days I was acting up. You know when communion came, your boy had to pass the cup, pass the bread too, saying I was still in. Offering went in the plate, my condoms almost fell in. Outside I'm feeling cool, inside I'm yelling. Outside looking free, inside's like a felon. Doing time for rebelling, enslaved to that sin that I was dwelling in. Bought the lie they were selling, like go get as many girls as you can, then get